Joanie here with Realty Executives in the Villages. I'm so excited to give you a tour of this beautiful colony patio villa in the Village of Alhambra. And I'm gonna just show you a little bit of the outside first. This home is right on a corner lot. Has beautiful brick paver patio and a driveway. And something really unique about this home, it has a over 300 additional living space. So it has a whole addition, and I can't wait to show you. This neighborhood is super quiet. You're right by the Savannah Center, just tucked away really close to the pool, and just a great, beautiful neighborhood. So I can't wait to show you around. So you walk in and you have this beautiful vaulted ceiling Florida room that overlooks your neighborhood. So you're on the corner lot and you just have a nice area to hang out in, have your morning coffee. You can also enjoy the outside area there, right on the patio. And inside, the vaulted ceilings continue. Now this home is offered turnkey, so all the furniture would stay, dishes would stay. I love the beachy theme. It's real bright, open in here. This home had one owner. So this room here is the addition. So normally this whole area is not even here in this model. This is a colony patio villa. It has a nice bay window, has a nice storage area there, a little nook. And this could be used as a den. It could be used as an office space. You could even put, some sort of Murphy bed or pull-out bed in here if you have extra guests. And it flows nicely right into the dining area. And of course the living room. And right off the living room, you have a nice bar seating at the kitchen. Nice open concept, but still gives you that definition. So with your countertop raised up like this, it just gives you that nice, again, openness, but also clear definition of your kitchen and your living room. Nice neutral colors throughout. You have a beautiful skylight in here. And another feature that I love is you have inside laundry. So right here off the kitchen is your laundry, which is nice because a lot of times it's going to be out in the garage in this model. There's also a nice pantry here for storage, and then that leads right to the garage. And I'm going to show you the bedrooms down here. You also have, of course, the vaulted ceilings throughout. They put a nice little shelf up there. Your guest bedroom. They have it set up for 2 twin beds. Again, the vaulted ceilings. And you have the built-in closet there. Nice good sized closet. Linen closet here in the hallway. And then here is your guest bathroom. Love the whole Florida vibe in here. Nice bright coral colors. So you have your tub shower combo. And then it goes right out here. So back in the hallway, and we're into the primary suite. Just a really great size. Could easily fit a king bed. This one here, I believe, is a queen, but definitely room for a king. And what I love is their primary bathroom. So they put a nice shower insert here. It has a bench, good size bench. And there's actually a linen closet in the bathroom. Just gives you that nice extra storage. You have a solar tube. Gives you that nice natural light. and really good size walk-in closet. Again, vaulted ceilings, a few knickknacks in here, but definitely a lot of space for storage. So this home is offered at $290,000. Again, turnkey. Just a beautiful home. You're welcome to come and schedule a showing. Stop by. You can check out the open house times as well. I'd love to show you in person. Thank you so much for watching and have an amazing day.